Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Peugeot 3008. So first of all, click Settings, onto Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is on. Then we're watching out for at the bottom here. So it's already picked the phone up. If I click Bluetooth now and we go over here, it's just changed automatically. Barry's iPhone 13P wants to connect to the system, accept, yes. To complete the pairing with Barry's iPhone 13P, confirm the code 532707, 532707, so pair, and yes. That's it. Now you can choose what you want it for. So the streaming and telephone, both of those, I don't need mobile internet. Click OK, and over here, allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. And then we're just watching out for it connecting. BT Peugeot connected. That's how easy that is.